So now I'll be solving the fourth question of Codeforces round 788. In this question we are given an infinite hexagonal grid and we can draw parallel lines parallel to the sides of the hexagon. We need to form equilateral triangles. We are given the number of equilateral triangles that we need to form, and we need to respond with the minimum number of lines which we need in order to form that particular number of equilateral triangles. Okay, so I'll take up some examples and I'll try to explain you. So it is very clear that if we draw no lines, we'll get no equilateral triangles. Also, if we draw one line, we won't get any equilateral triangle. For two lines, the number of equilateral triangles is 2, as shown in this figure itself. If the number of lines that we draw is 3, then the maximum number of equilateral triangles that we will get is 6. Okay, as shown in this figure. For 4 number of lines, the maximum number of equilateral triangles that we can get is 10, as shown in this figure. For 5 lines, the number of equilateral triangles is 16, and for 6 lines, the maximum number of equilateral triangles is 24. 6, 6, 6, 2, 2, 2, so 24. So we can observe here that the difference after n is equals to 2, so here the difference becomes 4, here the difference remains 4, here the difference increases by 2, here the difference increases by 2 again, and here the difference remains same. So for every multiple of 3, the difference remains same, but for the numbers which are not a multiple of 3, the difference increases by 2 every time. So this will continue as it is. So we can use this observation and we'll try to formulate the answer. So if we calculate for n is equals to 10 to power 9, the number of lines will never exceed 10 to power 6. So I'll take the size of vector as 10 to power 6. Also, for 0 lines, the number of triangles is 0. For 1 line, the number of triangles is again 0. For 2 lines, the number of triangle is 2. And for the further, we will try to form the answer. Okay, so if I is a multiple of 3, then we'll simply add it. Okay, and if I is not a multiple of 3, then we'll add to the previous element, and we'll increase add by 2 as well. Now we'll take the test cases. This is the number of equilateral triangles. We can use lower bound to get the answer. Probably this should work. So for 1 the answer is 2. For 2 the answer is 2. For 3 it is 3. And for 4, 5, 6, 7 it is 83. So it's working. So I'll submit it. Okay, so the code is accepted.